Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Let's get started. First, you cannot fully turn off Apple's stolen device protection or activation lock unless you sign out of the Apple ID that is linked to the device. But there are still different ways or step-by-step guide on how to remove the protection if you're the device owner. So first, the method A is to open the settings and tap your name at the top and tap Find My, then click Find My iPhone. Toggle Find My iPhone off and enter your Apple ID password when prompted and confirm. Because turning off Find My iPhone will remove activation lock or stolen device protection for that device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.